Courage is your ability to grow larger than an identity thrust upon you. Well, hello everyone. I am Geetika Kohli Amla, a writer and an entrepreneur based in Jammu and Kashmir. I run an education company called Pinkland. I would like to wish you all a very happy Women's Day, and as you're all aware that this year's theme for International Women's Day is Choose to Challenge. So this concept deeply resonates with me, and I feel that it's not a novel idea. I think since time immemorial, women have been forging change by choosing to challenge. So your primary responsibility as a woman is to challenge your own conditioning, challenge the insecurities, the doubts that you entertain in your mind, and everything that is preventing you from achieving your vision, everything that is keeping you from dreaming big has to be challenged. And of course, the second thing you need to challenge is society, the society's view of you. I believe it's a very parochial view to entertain the idea somewhere that women are not sagacious, they are not intellectual, they are incapable of doing math, they are not physically very potent. I think these are very orthodox ideas that need to be consciously challenged by each and every girl and woman out there. And this is something that we need to do in our everyday life. So while this is something that is actively being discussed on elevated platforms, and it is the subject of so many programs and so many movements on social media, this is much appreciated, but I think more ground level work has to be done, and each and every woman has to stand up for this. I think in your everyday life, furnishing your everyday responsibilities both on the home front and as well as in your work environment, you need to consciously be actively challenge these ideas and reinforce yourself as an individual who commands respect, who demands equal rights, and who deserves the right to lead her life according to her own aspirations, according to her own view of herself. So I strongly feel that if each and every woman just goes outside and really faces her fears, she will encounter the fact that there is no battle to be fought. She already is enough, and she is already very capable of living life on her own terms. To all the men out there, please help us shatter the stereotypes. Come on, choose to challenge. Thank you.